Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about child abuse and neglect from parents and others. First, you should understand the difference between abusing and scolding. Abuse is the improper usage or treatment of a thing, often to unfairly or improperly gain benefit. Abuse can come in many forms. We will focus on child abuse and its negative impact. Now, whereas scolding means to speak angrily to somebody because he or she has done something wrong, it doesn't release a great negative impact. It is just temporary. Children who experience parental abuse or neglect are likely to show negative outcomes. This they carry forward into adult life also. They carry this with heavy baggage of ongoing problems with social skills, academic motivation, as well as serious learning and adjustment problems. Child neglect is a form of child abuse. Neglected children often have low self esteem, poor impulse control, and express more negative and less positive self. Parents and teachers, please note that studies on children shows that negative and abuse disrupts the way in which children's brain develop and process information, thereby increasing the risk for attentional, emotional, cognitive, and behavioral disorders. I am not here to scare you, but you need to think about it seriously and work on it. Childhood bad experiences have a great impact on adult life, particularly traumatic ones. Childhood trauma is also associated with memory impairment. Just note this: the angrier the parent, the more intense the abuse. Have you noticed? Please do. When I was taking my geography class, I found one of my students who was very extrovert was sitting quietly and immersed in her own thoughts. Later, I found out from other students that she was abused and insulted in front of all the students. Believe me, it took me 2 months to counsel her and bring her back to normal. Just see the impact. Some parents have the tendency to compare the siblings, so do the teachers. That is also a form of abuse and neglect. Children who have experienced abuse and neglect are therefore at increased risk for a number of problematic developmental, health, and mental health outcomes, including learning problems, problems relating to peers, internal anxieties, depression, psychiatric disorders, and lower economic productivity. Finally, an important message to all the parents and teachers is that factors relating to the individual child and to the familial and social contexts in which the child lives, chronicity, and timing of abuse and neglect experiences all conspire to impact to varying degrees, that is, the neural, biological, and behavioral disorders. You can always win your child's heart by love, caring, and bonding with them. I'm sure this video is an eye opener for everyone, not only parents and teachers, but also for children. Watch for my next posting. Thank you and bye for now.